I feel like if I wear it now and go to the gym, people are gonna be like, where is this highlighter going? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Angela. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys and showing you guys all the new cute goodies that I got from Gymshark on Black Friday. I know Black Friday is ages ago, but it literally took 9 to 10 business days to get to me, which is roughly close to 2 weeks. They had a lot of volume from all the Black Friday orders, so I was patiently and anxiously, actually not patiently, anxiously waiting for my order to get here. So if you guys want to see all the goodies that I got, just keep on watching. Okay, so this is the first look. It is a gray two-piece. It has the top, which is a crop top, but you can always adjust it by pulling it down. And also the leggings are really high-waisted and they fit like a glove. Fit like a glove. I mean, I feel like a cut woman. I feel like cut woman for real in this. And they're long sleeved. I'm gonna go like this so you can see they're long sleeved all the way to the ankles. So this is actually perfect for the winter time, which is why I got it. When I saw it, I said I need this for the winter because it keeps me warm, and also the fabric is a little bit thicker. So yay! I'm gonna turn so you can see the back. You can see the Gymshark logo in the back here in the top and on the pants too. And I also like this peekaboo detail in the back. This is a sports bra, which is why you see that. I'm gonna take it off so you guys can see how it looks without the sports bra, but I think it's really cute. And one thing I'm loving about these clothes is how they accentuate your body. Like, look. I just love how they make my body just look snatched, you know? It's cute. Okay, so I just took off the sports bra so you guys can see the back detail. It's so cool. I like the peekaboo detail. Also, I forgot to show you the inserts here in the arms. I think those are really nice for gripping. If you're gripping on a heavy bar, if you're doing an overhead press, I think this will be amazing. But yes, this is the first look. I really love it. I just came from the gym and this is the first one that I picked out because I was like, I want to give it a test run. You know, it's cold out. It's the only long sleeved top that I got, so I was like, I have to definitely give this a test run, and loved. So all the items that I got come in baggies like these, which is so secure, and I like that they are also water resistant. They feel like they're water resistant. They look like they're water resistant, so I like the baggies. All right, this is the second option. It is a taupe two-piece. Oh my god, I love the color. It is so springy, very summerish, but also you can wear it in the winter and the fall time. Nobody is going to be checking you to see what color you're wearing. I love that it is really croppy, kind of like the first outfit that I showed you too. It has the Gymshark logo. One thing that I really love about these leggings is that they have pockets here on the sides, which is so cool and unique. Like, I've never seen leggings like this before. You know, you can put, I don't even know what I would put in here, but hey, they might be useful. They put them there for a reason. These are also long leggings. They come all the way to the ankles. So pretty. I love the color. Love the color. This would be a cute outfit for maybe yoga or Pilates. It's giving me those vibes. Also on leg day, this is something I would definitely rock just because it's nice and airy. The leggings are not too thick. Well, the whole outfit, the fabric is not too thick like the first one, so it would be ideal for workouts that are highly intensive. So I don't know if you've noticed, I'm not wearing a sports bra. I'm basically braless, and this top just holds, it hugs the boobies really well in place. So I would wear this to a yoga session or a Pilates session without a sports bra because everything is intact. Like I don't even need to put on any bra. See, it's like, okay, here is the third option. It is a two-piece as well in coral. I love the color. This is definitely a summer color for sure, summer and spring, but I might risk it and wear it during this time of the year. Why not? You know, but I like how it feels. It feels like the feel is similar to the gray two-piece that I first showed you. It's so comfortable and it fits like a glove. I mean, I'm just adjusting it like, whoa. It just sticks to your skin, which is good because you want that. You want your leggings to feel right and fit right. They are long leggings as well. I almost fell. They're long leggings too, and they come with a matching bra. They also have the Gymshark logo, and it just has a racer back in the back. It's nice. I like the color. It's really cute and very girly. Alright, this is it. I'm gonna go ahead and change into the fourth look. Here is option number 4. I don't know if you guys are noticing, but I do have, every legging that I got has a matching sports bra. Because I was going for that. That's what I wanted. I wanted everything to be matchy. These leggings go all the way to the bottom too. And I want to come closer so you guys can see the detail that the sports bra has. The leggings have the same detailing all the way around. I'm just going to do this so you guys can see. I don't know if you can see this far, but they do have those little holes going all the way down to the bottom. I'm loving the quality of all the pieces I've been trying. You can tell that it's definitely worth the money that they charge all these items for. Clearly it's high end. It's really good quality. It's not your everyday sports bra from Target. No shade, but shade. You can tell that the fabric and the stitching and the details are really good quality. So yay. This color too will be perfect for summer, of course. I forgot to mention that. When I was picking out all the items that I wanted, I was doing a mixture of pieces that I can wear during the summertime and the winter time, you know. I mean, I can definitely wear this now during this time of the year, but it will definitely be perfect for the summertime. Okay, so this is option 5. Definitely love the color. It is just a nice color for my complexion. I love it so much. This whole look just gives me sweatpants, sweatshirt, loungewear vibes because of the fabric. It's very stretchy, but not stretchy where it's just too difficult to put on. It's just stretchy enough for you to just throw on and go run errands. I feel like this is one of those where I'll just throw on my Snickers in the summertime and just run to the grocery store and do stuff. But it's just nice and comfy, super comfy. All the other leggings that I've been trying were very comfortable, but this, it feels like a tight sweatpant. There's the Gymshark wording on this side of the leggings. It's so comfy. This is by far, I think, one of my favorites, only because of the comfort level. It just feels so good. It feels like something I would just throw on right now and go to bed. This is the back. It's super comfortable. Okay, here's option 6. It's another gray outfit. So all the outfits that I got are in a size extra small, and the reason I got extra small is because I didn't know how small or how large the sizes ran for Gymshark, since this is my first time shopping from there, and they all fit right. I mean, they just fit like a glove, which is kind of what I was going for, since all the two pieces have leggings. These are high performance leggings, which means that they can absorb sweat a lot. So they have these little holes, and also the fabric feels like it would hold sweat and water, so I don't have to walk around exposing all my sweat to the world. This is the back of the bra. I'm just gonna hide that tag. Here's the 7th two-piece look. This has capri leggings or cropped leggings, and I think it's really cool because all the other leggings are all the way to the ankles, so it's just, I wanted to have at least some cropped leggings for when I go running. That way I'm not too hot. Love the Malibu blue color. So summer, so spring. This is similar to the last gray two-piece that I just put on with the long leggings. It's basically the same exact two-piece but a different color, and this has cropped leggings, but it's just literally the same fabric, same style, same everything. I love the color. It's out there, very bold and fun. Okay, so here's outfit number 8. I think I've even lost count at this point, but this is similar to the blue two-piece that I just took off and the gray one that I previously put on too. Same exact fabric. Actually, this is the same as the gray one. Same everything, just different colors. I love this color. Lime green, yes. Yes, 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 yes. This is perfect for summertime. I cannot wait to rock it. I feel like if I wear it now and go to the gym, people are gonna be like, where is this highlighter going? So I'm gonna keep it for summertime and just wear it then. But I love the color. I think this is, so far, this and the burnt orange two-piece that I showed you, these are the two colors that are sticking out that I'm gravitating towards, because you guys know I love my colors. But this is cute. I love how these ones make my butt look. The gray ones, I feel like it looks like the same tone, but with this, it's darker. It's a darker shade of green at the top where the waistband is, and then when it goes lower, it just looks more lighter, so you're able, it accentuates the butt more, which is good for squirts. Okay, here is the final shebang. I am rocking some biker shorts. Love this. They feel so comfortable. When I saw this combo, I was like, I need to get this because I like running. I love running, and something like this will be perfect and ideal for a good run. It will not make me feel hot. I will feel comfortable, but also feel like I'm getting my goals accomplished and feeling like I feel efficient. I don't know. But yeah, I love how these biker shorts feel. They're so comfy and they're so stretchy. Look, they're so stretchy. They're an extra small, but feel super comfortable. And I also got this crop top to kind of go along with the biker shorts. And this is the back. This is definitely gonna be my go-to outfit when I go running because it's just so comfortable. It feels so comfy. This will be it. This will be the real deal. Just gonna come closer so you guys can see. That's it, guys. That's all I purchased from Gymshark. My overall review and opinion when it comes to all the items that I purchased from Gymshark is I love the pieces that I got. I love the fabric. I love how comfortable each item feels. Yeah, I really love everything that I got. I cannot wait to wear them to the gym and just flaunt my little touche. But yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know down below what you thought. Let me know if you'd like to see a couple more haul videos. I've noticed that I've been getting a lot of engagement on all the haul videos that I've been posting, so I'm just gonna keep on bringing them. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!